Hey guys, it's Mila at WTI. I got a pair of joggers here that are buttery soft and super smooth, and they flex with the curve of your body. These do not constrain your waist or make you feel like you're gonna pop out. These are super comfortable, and I love wearing them around the house, especially for home gym workouts, because again, they don't make you feel like you're stuffed in like a sausage. And they have a great jogger style to them. You'll see that they kind of cinch at the ankle, which means you can wear them long or you can pull them up to make them look like a capri. They also have pockets that are nice and big, so you can put a protein bar in there. A phone fits in just fine. And guess what? On the back, inside, there's a hidden pocket. So if you work out with maybe one key to the house, if you go out for a run, you could probably stick it in there and not even think twice about it. So that's a great feature that I haven't personally used, but for people leaving the house, I could see it being super useful. I love these joggers, and I think anyone who's trying to expand their wardrobe for workout wear, these are a great option. That's my point of view.